What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're doing an overall refinish on a Chrysler 300. I'm in my blowtherm downdraft booth and I'm using PPG Aquabase system. I've already applied the sealer and 4 coats of Aquabase with 2 control coats for the metallics. As you can see here, I'm spraying the clear using an iwata LPH 400 with the Deltron DC4000 clear. I'll be applying 2 coats with about a 10-minute flash in between, keeping my overlaps at 75%, pressure at 29 psi, which is 2 bar, 6 to 8 inches from the panel. Just working those wet edges, keeping everything flowing nice and neat. As you can see, I'm just going through the motions, trying to keep my overlap consistent along with my distance from the panel. It's the most crucial part of painting anything, staying consistent. I preach that a lot. Consistency, consistency, consistency. I appreciate you taking the time to check out my videos. And if you could, just like, share, comment, subscribe. This is after the second coat. Just a little walk around. Due to the length of the video, just went ahead and left the second coat out. It was applied exactly the same, just a little heavier. As you can tell, it came out quite nice. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go paint some stuff.